Welcome back to Drive Future, where we explore the cars that define tomorrow. And today we are diving into one of the most exciting and talked about performance machines ever imagined from BMW, the all-new 2027 BMW M9 supercar. This is the model enthusiasts have dreamed about for years, a flagship M car positioned above everything else in BMW's lineup, combining extreme motorsport engineering, cutting-edge hybrid technology, and unmistakable BMW design DNA into a single breathtaking machine. From the moment you see the M9, it is clear this is not just another fast BMW, but a statement car built to rival the world's greatest supercars while staying true to the precision and balance that define the M division. The exterior design of the 2027 BMW M9 looks aggressive, futuristic, and purpose-built, with a low-slung silhouette that hugs the road and wide body proportions that emphasize performance. The front end features a reimagined kidney grille that is slimmer and more aerodynamic, integrated seamlessly with active air shutters and massive carbon fiber intakes that feed cooling air directly to the powertrain and brakes. Sharp laser LED headlights give the car an intense, focused expression, while sculpted hood lines hint at the power beneath. Along the sides, deep air channels and carbon side skirts improve airflow, while lightweight forged wheels wrapped in ultra-high performance tires underline the M9's track-ready intent. At the rear, an aggressive diffuser, center-mounted exhaust, and active rear wing work together to generate serious downforce at high speeds, making the M9 look just as fast standing still as it does flying down a straight. Under the skin, the 2027 BMW M9 supercar is where the real magic happens. BMW is expected to combine a high-revving twin-turbo V8 engine with an advanced electric motor system, creating a powerful hybrid setup that delivers instant torque and relentless acceleration. Total system output is rumored to be well over 900 horsepower, placing the M9 firmly in hypercar territory. Power is sent through a lightning-fast dual-clutch transmission to an intelligent all-wheel drive system that can adapt in real time, providing maximum traction when launching and razor-sharp handling through corners. The result is breathtaking performance, with a 0 to 60 time expected to be well under 3 seconds and a top speed pushing beyond 220 miles per hour, all while maintaining the balance and control BMW M cars are known for. Despite its extreme performance, BMW SA.WSA.9X, the hybrid system in the M9 allows for limited electric-only driving at low speeds, making it more practical in urban environments and reducing emissions without sacrificing excitement. Advanced energy recovery systems harvest power under braking, while lightweight materials such as carbon fiber, reinforced plastic, aluminum, adaptive suspension with predictive road scanning ensures the M9 can transition seamlessly from a comfortable grand tourer on the highway to a razor-sharp weapon on the track with the push of a button. Step inside the cabin, and the 2027 BMW M9 delivers a driver-focused interior that blends luxury with motorsport inspiration. Carbon fiber dominates the dashboard's center console and door panels, while Alcantara and premium leather provide a high-end feel. Deeply bolstered M Sport seats keep the driver locked in place during aggressive driving, yet remain comfortable enough for long journeys. A fully digital curved display combines the instrument cluster and infotainment system, offering customizable performance data, navigation, and driving modes. The steering wheel features integrated M buttons for instant access to personalized settings, reinforcing the sense that this car is designed around the driver. Technology plays a major role in the M9 experience, with BMW equipping the supercar with advanced driver assistance systems that can be adjusted or disabled depending on driving preference. Track telemetry, lap timing, and real-time performance analytics allow drivers to push their limits while learning more about their driving style. High-end audio, seamless smartphone integration, and over-the-air software updates ensure the M9 feels just as advanced digitally as it does mechanically, proving that performance and connectivity can coexist. On the road and on the track, the 2027 BMW M9 supercar is expected to deliver an emotional driving experience unlike anything. BMW M9 supercars is expected to deliver an emotional driving experience. The combination of instant electric torque and the visceral roar of a turbocharged V8 creates a unique soundtrack that evolves as speeds increase. Steering is precise and communicative, brakes are massive and fade-resistant, and the chassis feels perfectly balanced, inspiring confidence confidence even at the limit. Whether carving through mountain roads or attacking a racetrack, the M9 is designed to reward skilled drivers while remaining approachable enough for everyday enjoyment. The 2027 BMW M9 is more than just a new model. It represents the future direction of BMW M9, blending electrification with pure performance rather than replacing it. It shows that the brand can compete with the world's most exotic supercars while maintaining the engineering philosophy that made BMW famous. For enthusiasts, the M9 is a dream realized, a car that pushes boundaries without losing its soul. If this is the future of BMW performance, the road ahead looks incredibly exciting. This is Drive Future, and the BMW M9 proves that the ultimate driving machine is evolving, not disappearing.